I am driving the fastest fire truck today. You look like a real hero with your toys. What is inside that big gold envelope, Mom? You are invited to the fire station today, Tommy. Hooray! This is the best surprise in the world. There is something very heavy in this box. Put on your new yellow firefighter suit now. You look very sharp and very brave today. I am ready for my big adventure now. Eat your breakfast quickly so we are not late. Look outside. A real fire truck is here.
Good morning, Tommy. Are you ready to help? Step up carefully into this big red truck.
The world looks so small from up here.
Welcome to our big city fire station, Tommy.
It is a great honor to meet you, Chief.
The honor is mine, young man. These are the brave people on our team.
Wow, they are so big. Everyone looks so serious and so very cool.
We use these special tools to stay safe.
Why is this big jacket so heavy, Jen?
These truck tires are bigger than you are.
I know, right?
You earned that badge, Junior Firefighter Tommy. First, we must learn to use the hose.
This hose is very heavy to hold alone.
Hold on tight! The water is coming now!
The water is shooting so high and fast.
Great job! You hit the target perfectly, Tommy. Now we must practice climbing the tall ladder.
I am a little bit scared of heights. You did great. Climbing down is easy now.
It is time for the fast fitness drill.
I can run very fast around these cones. Oh no! I tripped over the small rope.
Are you okay? Mistakes happen during training, Tommy.
A clean uniform does not make a hero.
I am ready to try the drill again.
That's the spirit, Tommy.
Drink some sweet juice to get your energy.
Thanks, Jen. This fire station is a very fun place.
Look at this big map of our city.
We use this map to coordinate our rescue sectors and ensure everyone is safe. We stay calm and help people in need.
Let us look inside the truck cabin now. I can hear your voice inside these headphones.
Testing the radio system, can you hear me?
Loud and clear, Chief Chris. Over and out. You look like a real driver sitting there. What is that very loud ringing sound, Jen? That is the alarm bell, Tommy.
We have a real call from the park.
You came down that pole so very fast.
Get the truck ready. We must move fast.
My black boots are ready for the action.
Hold on tight. The siren is starting now.
We will arrive at the park very soon.
The red lights are flashing so bright today.
We must drive carefully through the busy streets.
Why are we stopping near this big tree?
Look at that little boy crying over there.
There is a tiny gray kitten up there.
The mechanical ladder cannot reach through these branches.
The space between the branches is too small.
Tommy, you are small enough to climb there.
I can do it. I am not afraid. Move slowly and watch your footing, Tommy. Oh! That's right, Tommy. Step up carefully. Do not worry, little kitten. I have you. I have the kitten in my arms now.
You are doing a wonderful job. Come down.
Hooray! You saved the little kitten safely, Tommy.
Here is your beautiful pet. Stay safe now.
That was a very successful rescue mission today.
You showed real courage under that tree, Tommy.
Ahaha! I really helped save a life today, Chief.
We are back home at the station now.
Everyone, please gather around for a special moment.
Why is everyone looking at me right now?
Today, we have a real hero among us. This medal is for your bravery at the park.
You are the best junior firefighter in town.
Look at my shiny gold medal, Mom.
I am so incredibly proud of you, son.
Say cheese for the big family picture, Tommy. Keep this toy to remember your special day.
I will keep it on my bedroom desk. This paper says you are an official helper. My name looks so big and beautiful here. My head feels very light without the helmet.
You can wear it again when you grow up.
Your son has a very kind and brave heart.
Thank you for teaching him so much today. I am sad that the day is over. Come back and visit us very soon, Tommy.
Junior firefighter Tommy is leaving the station now.
Have a wonderful evening, our little hero.
Did you enjoy being a real firefighter, Tommy?
Yes. It was the most amazing day of my life. I thought fighting fires was cool, but helping people is the real magic.